Hi, this is Brian. I'm with Ikan, and I'm at InfoComm 2026. And at this show, we're showing our new PT312W-DESKTOP. This is a desktop 12-inch teleprompter system. It comes included with the desktop stand, the monitor, and the frame. And so this is an HDMI teleprompter. So basically what you want to use this for is if you have like a Zoom meeting or a Teams meeting and you want to just be able to make eye contact with the person that you're talking to, you'll just basically use this as an extended monitor on your computer, and then you'll just drag that Teams window into this monitor's window, and then it'll just basically put them in full screen, and then from there you'll basically just be able to make full eye contact with the person you're talking to. This is a height adjustable system, so you basically just tilt this. You can tilt this down. It's on a swivel, and then you can also just do a height adjustment on it. So the pricing is still to so the pricing is still to be decided, but we're targeting like an $8.99 price range. So for more information, visit icancorp.com. That's it.